Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 3rd of June 2014. We're going to look at the CFDs, gold, SPX 500, US 30, German 30, US oil. Once again, we're on the daily and we're using the Elliott Wave Analysis. Right, before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So here we are on the daily on the gold. This is CFD. Not much change. We're in a wave two, in a wave three of the primary cycle degree, which is the red in circles, being the larger wave right now, and we're looking for a move down. That high was on the 16th of March 2014. So currently what we're looking for now, our first profit target's been taken out on the 29th of May, and now we're moving down, swiftly down. We're looking perhaps that we'll be maybe hitting the 261.8 on the Fibonacci. We've got our profit targets just before that point. In fact, our profit target will be based on the wave 3 of the minor. So right now we have the primary, which is in a wave 3, that's red in circles, and then we have the intermediate, green in brackets, in a wave 3 pattern, and its subwave is the minor wave, which is pink, and that's also in a wave 3. When we break that down further, we have the minute, which is blue Roman numerals and in a small and in a blue circle. So currently now we have an entry which we had taken at 1267.84 short for gold, and its stop level is 1340.30. so it's still quite wide. That stop is, we're keeping that stop wide right now, and what we want to do, we want to see more movement down before we can start actually bringing the stop level down to a BE, a break-even point. So in the wave 3 of the minute is the trade of what we're looking for, and that's the actual trade what we actually took initially. So as you can see, we took our trade based on a wave 3 for the minute, and we took a low at the low of that one, which was the one of the minor wave, which gave us a strong confidence. So prices moved down, right, and we're actually we want to hit this 100%, 161, sorry, we're going to hit this level, 161.8 level, which is where our profit target is, 1214. And if we're looking for 100% level, that also would be the 100% level of the intermediate. So it's quite a valid location of where to put it, and also the minute would just be, a few pips down or a few points down below for its 261 level. So we feel confident that the price, if it's going to hit down there, it's going to be good for us for that minor wave. So that's what we're looking for on that for gold. More movement down to take us to 1214. And then once again, what we're going to do, traders, when this pink wave 3 is completed, we'll retrace up for an ABC pattern for a wave 4, and then we'll hit it down to do the wave 5 to take us down a level. Because if the wave 3 finishes there for the minor, we know definitely there's going to be strong movement coming down, around 1185, and can also go further to 1145. So we're looking for movements down. In terms of the minute degree right now, we're looking at the price is holding below the 161.8 level, and can price go down further on this wave? If price goes down further, depending on these candlestick plays, how things pan out, we can actually make a decision to come out the trade, right, and go back up and then hit the wave 4. Wave 4 probably will be a little bit less now. Yeah, we're looking around that level. We had it marked at 1258 yesterday, and what we can actually do, we can actually bring the price up now just in case. We just want to be ready at all costs for these movements. So we put our entry there. So now we've changed our entry to 1261.79, and our stop level is 1280. That's what we're looking for, and target level will be bring the target level down. Target level once again is 1214.08. So that's what we're looking for on that potential side of it. So that's for a trade for the wave 4 of the minute to come down. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next chart now. SPX 500 following the S&P 500. CFD once again. These are all CFDs. Just need to add to you. Not much change from yesterday, but we're in a wave 5 of the larger wave degree, which is the primary, and its subwave structure is the intermediate, which is running into a wave 3 pattern, and its subwaves are the minor in the wave 3 and the minute also close to completion of its wave 3. This is what we're looking at right now, traders. We put some entries on a wave 4 for price to complete at the wave 3 and then to come down, hit us in for a wave 4. So we've still got an entry level, 2 entries at the 23.6 level and 38.2 level, 1913.6 and 1903.4, stop level 1897.9, and that's to go long. Okay, that's to go long, traders. That's right. Okay, and what we're aiming for, we're just aiming for a very cheeky, quick to close the wave 5 of this trade, which is of the minor of the minute degree, to close the minor, which is pink, wave 3 pattern. And of course, if price goes up further, we'll make our decisions accordingly. But right now, we just want to capture the moves and take it on accordingly. Okay, fine. So we've got a trade still pending there. Where do we stand in terms of price? We're looking, perhaps could be price come into the exhaustion at the 127.2 level, and price to come down and start retracing, give us an ABC pattern, and then come down and start hitting us on the 23.6 level and the 38.2 level. But anyhow, we're covered, and we've got our stop level quite tight, because we know, traders, we all like it very tight down there. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the US oil. US oil, once again, we got 3 trades running, and all in profits, looking at 115 pips across the board, more or less. The top level is 121, and we're looking we have our entry at 101.22, and stop level still 96.34. We're riding the wave 3 up, the wave 3 from the minute degree, and we want to start see price take out this level 1 and then hit us up for our first profit target, and then subsequently move on forward. Incidentally, if you're wondering what these lines are, these are our support and resistance lines, a kind of a pattern system that we here at thetradingtigers.com have developed, and use it for our Elliott Wave analysis to put us on the right side of the trade when we're doing our necessary counts. So right now, no open trades that we could recommend that you could take. We don't want to break this down any further. You could actually think about taking a long at the first profit target, but that's going to be quite tight, to be honest to tell you. I'd rather wait for the wave 4 to come down and then take it. Okay, fine. Let's move to the US 30. That's following the Dow Jones. Once again, we're on a CFD. The larger wave degree pattern, we're in a wave 5 of the primary degree, and its subwaves are the intermediate being in a wave 3 pattern. That's green in brackets, and then we have the pink being the minor degree. So right now we're in a wave 3 pattern move, and we've got our entry already at 166.00, and we're already in the money. Not much, but still money's money, and we are something like 106 points in profit. And if I open up a little bit bigger for you to see, traders, you can actually see exactly where we're looking. So we've taken out this level 1 out right now, which is a good sign for us. When I say level 1, I'm talking about the intermediate level 1. So that gives us a strong confidence that perhaps the level 3 is shortly coming. But we're not taking this trade. We're trading the actual minor, which is the pink, right? So right now, and that's exactly where we took our entry. We took our entry on that level 1. So the higher wave degree 1 has been taken out, and now we're in open territory moving, meaning that we need to see price start hitting the other levels. If we move our scale down, we can see right now, okay, fine, we're close. We've taken out the 61.8 level. We will be soon next level 78, but of course we're sure that 100% level is the key target. Anything other is an extension, and all considerations on that fact. Right now our stop level is at 15978. Any considerations to move it up right now? No, not quite yet. So we need to see some more movements up. First of all, 178.6 level to be taken out and the 100% level to be taken out before we can consider moving our stop level up. Okay, let's move to the next one. Is the German 30 traders. German 30 following the German index. That's the DAX. And right now, where do we stand? We stand, we're on a wave 5 of the larger wave degree, which is the cycle. That's Roman numerals and in black, right? Its sub-wave pattern is in a 1, 2, and it's in a third wave. Sub-wave is the primary, being red and in circle. Breaking down that wave structure further, we're in a third wave of the intermediate. That's right, a third wave of the intermediate being in green and in brackets. So where do we stand further on that? We're not taking our trades based on that level. We've actually taken it now. We're currently got a trade taking it on 9701, right? And what have we traded? We've traded the smallest wave we've got on here, which is the minute wave, which is blue, Roman numerals, and in the circle, right? That's the trade that we're taking up, and it was profit target. We've marked our profit target already, and that's what we're looking for to be able to come out of this particular move. That's close to the 127 mark. Also further to this trade is what we've done. We've taken a wave 4. We've marked our wave 4 pattern out here already of the smaller wave degree, which is the minute, and we're putting an entry. We put an entry at 9864 with a stop level at 9753, with its target at the target is 10036. That's right. So basically these are the locations where we're just going to take our trades and take our money off the table to complete the necessary moves. Wave 4, and that will complete the wave 5. We hit the wave 5. The wave 5 will complete the minor wave, minor degree at the 261 level. So that will be at quite a big an exhaustion. So we could probably expect its wave 4 to come down to levels around 9636. Nothing is guaranteed. Price can do what it wants, but we can actually see an exhaustion. If this fifth wave, which we will take later on, fails, anyhow, well, just watch and see what happens. Okay, traders, so that's me. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye bye.